How are you children? I hope everybody fine at your home. Today I shall teach you chapter 19 statistics. In statistics we will discuss data handling. What is statistics? Statistics is the study of the collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation and organization of data. Actually, children, statistics is a branch of mathematics. Like you are studying science, biology, chemistry, physics. These are the branches of science. Like that, mathematics also so many branches. One of the branch is statistics. You are studying geometry, that also one branch only. Today we will discuss statistics and some concept regarding statistics. Okay, I shall teach you some concept. First, data. In statistics, every numeral figure, numbers we are calling data. Data, what is meant by data? Data can be defined as the collection of facts or information from which a conclusion may be drawn. Data means collection of information. So, example given, the table gives the data regarding the number of students. Number of students, opted subject. This is one data. Data two types, primary data and secondary data. What is primary data? Primary data means data collected by the investigator for himself or for some else is called primary data. So one example, principal telling to teacher to collect the number of children, those using different modes of transport. Then teacher collecting from the students modes of transport. After that, the teacher handovering to principal. This is primary data. Clear? Secondary data meaning after principal again the data principal handovering to bus conductor for how many buses will be required by the school to carry the children. So same data using another one person. So first one is primary, second one is secondary data. Okay. Secondary data, the data collected by someone for himself or herself and used by another principal collecting, and for principal also that data one, as well as that a driver also using that data for to know how many buses will be required by the school to carry students. That is secondary data. This also secondary data. Example, data published by state government, data published by international organization, data published by the research. These are the secondary data. Clear? Now, raw data. What is raw data? Raw data means when some data is collected in the original form, it is called raw data. That meaning we are collecting the information as it is we are writing. This is, see, in the test, how many children? 20 students test result. As it is written, no order, nothing, whatever the information collected, like that you are writing. This is called raw data. Observation. What is observation? Each number, each numerical figure is called observation. Each number is called observation. Array. Data array meaning given data, given observation, you have to arrange in descending order or ascending order. That is called a data array. Range. What is range? First you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. After that, highest number minus lowest number, what is the answer getting? That is your range. Highest number is 48 and lowest number is 12. 48 minus 12, you will get 36. That is the range of the data. These are important concepts related to statistics. You have to study. For exam point of view, this question definition can come. Raw data meaning as it is. Information collecting, you are writing that same. That is called raw data. Observation meaning each numbers. Each observation in that data, that is called observation. Each number we are telling observation. Array meaning the data you have to arrange in ascending order or descending order. That is called a data array. Range meaning highest number minus lowest number. That is called a range of the data. I hope everybody clear concept and related statistics. What is statistics? Statistics meaning collection of observation. A collection of information That is called a data. Clear, children?